Hello students, now we are going to start question number 8 of exercise 14.5. Now in this question we have, draw a circle of radius 4 cm. Draw any two of its chord. Suppose this is the circle of radius 4 cm. Suppose this is 4 cm. Now draw any two of its chord. Suppose this is on one chord, say PQ, and this is one chord, say AB. So construct the perpendicular bisector of this chord. Suppose this is the bisector of PQ and this is the bisector of AB. Then we will have to find where do they meet. So let's start with the construction. So at first we will draw a circle of radius 4 cm. So we will draw the radius at first. So here we'll start from 0. 4 cm means still here. Now we will draw a line segment and join these 2 points to draw radius of 4 cm. Now with the help of this radius, we will draw a circle. So this is the center of the circle, say A. Now draw any two of its chord. So we will draw 2 chords. Suppose you can draw in the chord in any direction. So we are drawing like this. So this is BC, and say this is PQ. Now we'll construct the perpendicular bisector of this chord. So we will construct the perpendicular bisector of BC. So we will take the measurement more than half of BC and we will draw the arc upwards. Similarly from B point, draw the another arc. Now downwards like this, from C point like this. So we have got 2 intersecting points. Now let's join these 2. So this is the perpendicular bisector of BC. Now we will draw the perpendicular bisector of PQ. Again we will just place the needle of the compass at P point and we'll take more than half of PQ, and then we will draw an arc upwards and downwards. Now from Q point, again upwards and downwards. Let's extend the arc. Okay. So this and this is the intersecting point. Now let's join these 2 intersecting points. So we have got the perpendicular of PQ. Now the question is that where do they meet? Now it is clearly seen that here is the center and the 2 perpendicular meet at the center, which is A. So this was question number 8. Thank you students.